Are you looking for unique ways to save money in 2024? In an ever-accelerating world, saving money is not just a wise choice but a necessary habit. With the cost of living on the rise and financial uncertainties lurking around every corner, it's more important than ever to have a solid savings plan. This video is your guide to finding practical, yet unique strategies to bolster your savings this year. So, brace yourself for some financial enlightenment. Stay tuned as we delve into the 10 unique ways to save money in 2024. First on our list is going green. Embracing a green lifestyle can bring a world of benefits, not just for the environment, but for your personal finances as well. By reducing energy consumption at home, for example, you can cut down on your utility bills significantly, switch off lights when not in use, unplug devices when they're not needed, or invest in energy-efficient appliances. Next up, consider your commute. Using public transportation or biking to work can save you a considerable amount on fuel costs. Plus, it's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. And let's not forget about recycling. It's not just about reducing waste. Many recycling centers offer financial incentives for your recyclables. So you're not just helping Mother Earth, you're also padding your wallet. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to saving not just our planet but also our wallets. Next up, do-it-yourself, or DIY projects. There's a world of possibilities when you decide to roll up your sleeves and take matters into your own hands. Let's imagine for a moment that leaky faucet that's been dripping for weeks. Instead of calling in a professional, why not try fixing it yourself? A quick online tutorial could be all you need to get started. And how about those gifts for special occasions? A homemade gift crafted with love and attention can often mean more than a store-bought item. Plus, it's a lot lighter on your wallet. Taking it a step further, how about growing your own food? Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a tomato you've grown yourself. It's fresh, organic, and best of all, free. These DIY projects are more than just money-saving ventures. They're opportunities for learning, for growth, and for self-discovery. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain new skills and a sense of accomplishment. Our third tip is thrift shopping. Now, before you dismiss this as old-fashioned or unappealing, let's delve into the remarkable benefits of this approach. Thrift shopping is like a treasure hunt, often leading you to unique, high-quality items at a fraction of their original cost. It's an opportunity to find authentic vintage pieces, designer labels, and even unused items, all for a steal. But the benefits of thrift shopping extend beyond your wallet. It's also a fantastic way to reduce your environmental footprint. Every item you buy secondhand is one less item that ends up in a landfill. It's a small but significant way to contribute to a more sustainable planet. Additionally, buying secondhand helps support local businesses and community projects. It's a win-win situation for you, your community, and the environment. So next time, think twice before buying new, and consider thrift shopping instead. Fourth on our list is automating your savings. Now you might be wondering, how can automating savings help you save money? It's simple. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This can be done weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your income cycle. What this does is it ensures a consistent flow of funds into your savings account without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on the job, moving your money where it needs to go. And the best part, it reduces the temptation to spend. When you don't see the money in your checking account, you're less likely to use it for impulsive purchases. Plus, it ensures you're steadily building up your savings, whether that's for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or that dream vacation you've been planning. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. Automate your savings and watch them grow. Our fifth tip is meal planning. It's a simple concept, but it's an effective one. Meal planning involves deciding your meals for the week or even the month in advance. It's like taking a strategic approach to your diet. Doing this can save you a significant amount of money because you're less likely to splurge on expensive ready-made meals or eat out. Think about it, you're tired after a long day. You open the fridge and there's nothing ready to eat. The temptation to order takeout or grab a ready meal is high, but if you've planned your meals and done a little prep, you have a healthy, cost-effective alternative ready to go. Home cooking isn't just cheaper, it's often healthier too. You control the ingredients, portion sizes, and the cooking method. So by planning your meals, you're not just saving money, you're also taking control of your health. So, try it out. Not only will your wallet thank you, but your health might too. Next up, cancel unnecessary subscriptions. We live in an era where subscription services are abundant. From streaming platforms to monthly snack boxes, It's easy to accumulate a plethora of subscriptions that we seldom use to their full potential. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. How many of these services do you actively use? And how many are just silently draining your bank account? Consider this. Even a $10 monthly subscription adds up to $120 a year. Now multiply that by the number of subscriptions you have. The amount can be staggering. So do a spring clean of your subscriptions. Review them, pinpoint the ones you don't really need or use, and hit that cancel button. The savings you'll make could be put to much better use, perhaps invested into a high-interest savings account or a promising stock. Remember, every dollar counts when it comes to saving money. Our 8th tip is buying in bulk. Imagine this. You're at your favorite store and you spot a deal on a non-perishable item that you use regularly. Do you grab a single pack, or do you load up your cart with multiple packs? If you're serious about saving money, you'd opt for the latter. Buying in bulk is a savvy strategy to stretch your dollars. Non-perishable items like toilet paper, canned goods, and pasta are perfect for this. Not only do you save money per unit, but you also save time and gas on future shopping trips. Now, a word of caution. While buying in bulk can lead to significant savings over time, it's important to avoid impulse buying. Stick to items you use regularly and know you'll consume before their expiration date. Remember, the goal is to save money, not to transform your home into a warehouse. So next time, think bulk and save more. Next, consider using cashback apps. In this digital age, there's an app for almost everything, including saving money. Cashback apps are a fantastic way to maximize your savings. They work on a very simple principle. You buy, you get a portion of your money back. You might wonder, how significant can these savings be? Well, let's look at it this way. Suppose you make everyday purchases like groceries, clothes, gas, and dining out. If you use cashback apps for these, you might get back anywhere from 1 to 5% of your spendings. Doesn't sound like much? Think about it this way. If you spend $1,000 a month and get back 2%, that's $20 back in your pocket. Over a year, that's $240. To maximize your benefit, pair these apps with your regular credit card points or rewards. The key here is consistency. Remember, every little bit adds up. So, to recap, here are the 10 unique ways to save money in 2024. First, we've got going green. Reducing your carbon footprint can also reduce your bills. Then get your hands dirty with do-it-yourself projects. Why pay someone else when you can do it yourself? Next, embrace the excitement of thrift shopping. It's both eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. And don't forget to automate your savings. Set it, forget it, and watch your wealth grow. Meal planning is a game changer. It helps you avoid those pricey last-minute takeouts. And while you're at it, cancel those unnecessary subscriptions. You'd be surprised how much you can save. Buy in bulk to save a bundle, but remember, it only makes sense if you use it all. And finally, cashback apps are your friend. They're like getting a discount on everything you buy. Remember, saving money is a journey, not a destination. Start small and before you know it, you'll see big results.